Today we're going to build this beautiful IKEA Besta TV stand with a little twist. So we start like always by opening the box and see what's inside, then taking all out and see all the pieces, organizing them, and then screw the first screws. This cabinet takes 4 screws on top and 4 screws on the bottom, and then we just connect the sides. The sides take one plastic screw to attach the bottom and the top part to the sides, and it's very easy. Just put them in place and screw them like you're seeing right here. Just be careful with these screws because they're plastic and it's very easy to damage them. Then grab the back of the cabinet and put the wood gap facing you, and then just slide the back down. This phase is almost done. After you put the back in place, you just need to grab the top of the cabinet and put it in place as well. Just fit the screws in the holes left, and then screw them with the plastic connections as well, like you've done before in the bottom part. Next, we're going to add 2 accessories that comes with the cabinet. These 2 black accessories are meant to fix the cabinet to the wall. Then just finish the cabinet with these screws on the bottom to hide the holes that are meant to hide the legs. Next, it comes the difficult part. IKEA allows you to buy one accessory that it's meant to fix the Bestas to the wall, and it's very easy to install and you can buy it together with the Bestas, but it costs about 60 to 70 francs, and I was not willing to spend that kind of money just to hold 3 cabinets with some accessories and decoration items. So what I've done was to make my own supports, and was actually very easy. I just had some metals laying around here at home that I've used for other shelves and other stuff that I like to do. And what I've done was to define where I was going to put them, and then I just made some holes in the walls and I just fixed them in place. The goal here was to lay the cabinets on top of these metal supports, and then with those black accessories that we have installed before that are meant to fix the cabinets to the wall when they're on the floor, I'm going to use them to fix them on the wall but suspended. So they're not meant to be for these, but I think they're strong enough to hold some accessories and some decoration items. So yeah, so as you can see, I'm drilling now the holes for those supports. They are going to be connected to the black accessories that we talked about, and this will avoid the cabinets to tilt forward. And you use this screw with that piece, because that piece comes as well with the Besta and is meant to hide the screw inside the cabinet, so it's going to look very pretty. So as you can see, I already installed the first one, the most important one, and I'm in the road to install the second one and the third one. And as you can see, the cabinet just lays on top of the metal supports, and then I just screw them to the wall with the black accessories that came with the cabinets, and looks gorgeous. So the build is almost finished. Let's tidy up some things because everything looks a mess just before we do the final touches. So let's cover the screws as I mentioned before, and now just put these stickers. They came as well with the Besta cabinet. They're meant to hold 2 Besta cabinets on top of each other, but in this case I'm going to use these stickers to hold the top. But before, we have to take it off the double face paper to put the top on top. As you can see, the top is beautiful. I love the color, and was a deal because the Bestas have 21 centimeters depth and this top has 20 centimeters. So I put it all the way forward to cover the front of the cabinets, and the gap that I have between the wall and the top, it's meant to hide the cable that goes to the TV. So this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video, And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.